This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Dan and Deborah Pkwy. Great location in Southwest Cape Coral right near Oasis Boulevard and Beach Parkway. This is the Destin model, with every aspect of this floor plan design accentuates the home's open concept with the kitchen featured at the heart of the home. The kitchen updates include a large quartz countertop island, stainless steel appliances, plus a 54-bottle wine cooler. Brand new 42-inch kitchen cabinets, with above and under cabinet lighting, and soft close cabinets and drawers. A large walk-in pantry, and easy access to the 3-car garage through the laundry room. The garage has epoxy floors and a mini split air conditioner to keep it cool during those hot summer months. Plus, it is plumbed for a utility sink and has a generator plug. Brand new roof, new installed gutters around the entire house with newer 38 insulation throughout the entire attic even over the garage area. 2 bedrooms and full bathroom right off the foyer entrance. 18 tile everywhere except the bedrooms, have new laminate flooring with all new baseboards throughout the house, 8 raised panel interior doorways. The primary suite features a charming tray ceiling, walk-in closet, a double vanity, soaking tub, a walk-in shower, and a private water closet. New cabinets, quartz countertops, mirrors and toilets in all bathrooms. Crown molding in primary and living room tray ceilings. The sliding glass doors open fully to a screened-in paver lanai with an electric hurricane shutter. Manual hurricane shutters for all other windows and doors. Nice paver driveway, walkway, with new landscaping around the entire house and irrigation system. Call today for your private showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Dan and Deborah Pkwy at 239-707-2101.